Sup, this is Will Russell. I have a marble run that's going to go down the stairs here. I put 3 silver marbles on the top right here, so this is going to be a test run with the marbles. But I'm going to do this in a bit. So it'll start in a bit, so yeah, so right here we got one of the marbles right, silver marbles right here. It's gonna go. It's gonna go here, then go down the spiral here, and that's gonna go on a, then go on the slide there, and then it's gonna go to the funnel. But this one actually has spinning wheels on the purple line, on the purple track. This is the orange track has a spiral. The purple track has the spinning wheels. This marble right here is going to go down 2 spinning wheels, and this one's just going to only go down 1, which is this one. Spinning wheel's kind of weird looking. Go. That's fixed. So all the marbles are going to start in their own top, are in their own start. It's gonna go down that red funnel right here. By the way, this is a different marble one I made from Quercetti. So yeah. Then I'll jump onto the deluxe marble run right here, which will start at this, which it will go down. It'll just start at the funnel, then go down the yellow spiral, then jump on the deluxe marble run, which is that little start there. Then go down an orange spiral. Do an S, then another S. Zigzag. Spinning wheel, loop, red turn, green funnel, then spin a rainbow. Then it's gonna make another red turn, make an S, then spin the rainbow down another funnel. And then it's gonna spin the wheel, and then go down another, then wiggles right there and ends at this red ending spot. Of course, I found an orange marble right here that's been falling off the tracks earlier. Put that back in the jar. All right. Let's see how this works. Here we go. Well, it doesn't fall off the track. And sometimes they get a little stuck in this funnel, so that's all it is. Sometimes this funnel looks a little wobbly. It wobbles a little bit. But yeah. And that is a marble run down the stairs. 13 flights of stairs. course, 13 foot of stairs isn't that much. Well, a lot of stairs. Anyways, thanks for watching. Leave a comment or subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.